Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video helpful or useful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe simply leave a comment that says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is great for patching those little holes around your house. So this is by a company called ALLWAY, and it is a snap and patch setup. So this is the package that it looks like when it arrives, and you are going to get 6 of these little kind of patch repair kits, which are absolutely great. So once you open it up, they look like so. So you can see you have the spackle here in the middle, and then it has this foil around it. You're simply going to snap this in half, and there's a little hole, and you can go around and filling up all those little nail holes. It will work up to about 30 holes, depending on the size. One of the things that I love about this is because you get a 6-pack in here, the spackle doesn't dry out. So you could go and buy one of those big tubes or buckets, and once you open it up, that clock starts ticking before that spackle dries out. Where these guys, you just use the one little one, do all the little patches that you need. It's also designed really, really clever. So you snap this off and you go ahead and fill your hole, and then you can use the side of it kind of to smooth out the spackle as you need. So, and then you just toss this away. So it's a one-stop solution for patching all those little holes. Now it'll work on drywall, it'll work on a particle board, it'll work on stucco, it'll work on pretty much any types of woods as you need. I pretty much just use it on drywall around the house, like I said, when you are moving pictures around and you get those little holes and you just want to patch them. I find this works really, really well. So if you're in the market, you got some holes, let's say you live in an apartment and you don't want to get hit at the end with those security deposits or something like that, this makes patching holes super, super easy. And I totally recommend giving it a try and checking it out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.